Okay, go. Little mouse hole. The pride of the fleet. And there's things here I can save money on now. Little things that all add up. £5 here, £10 here. Let's go. Even having a good second-hand fuel pump's handy. And it obviously works because it keeps firing the car up. With my weight, it's probably levelled the car up. Right, let's get this thing on. It's funny if it's broken out. Okay, look, Sky, come here, come on, come here, come here, come on, come on, in you come, on me, on my lap, come on. Come on, Sky. Don't be a chicken. Right, here we are. There's a go. Need some fresh air. With the window down. Oh no, I don't. I might be going at a jerky manner. Much better sticking out. A bit more, please. Thank you. Get out now. We're taking it for a burn up there. The clutch pedal's stuck there. Oh, is it? It's mechanical, but it's obviously just literally seized up. See how this has all got rotten? This is what Aaron's actually worse than this.
mudguard. Oh, I see. It's tilted. Yeah.
Right.
The door's not lined up, mate.
Just take it easy. I think it's definitely getting worse. I feel like I'm lower.